Hi, I'm Scheila. I'm the one who stresses over how to grow your software company so I get the gray hairs instead of you. Okay, so I was reading this really interesting report that teams that are diverse, they're 87% more likely to make better decisions. And it makes total sense because if you have more perspectives, you have more angles, and truth is, less things gonna miss your radar kind of thing. So, how did you have diverse teams? Well, there's two ways to go about it that will be really, really helpful. So, the first one is when you're hiring, you really want to widen that net. So, you're not just hiring people that are within your current network. You're going to look at people that comes from different industries or from another school system, and maybe somebody that comes from another country. Okay, this is really good because you're going to have people that maybe will mirror your user base a little bit better, that kind of thing. So, if you're ed tech, you might want to have educators with you. If you're e-health, you might want to have clinical staff on the team as well, building your product. That will make you stand out and make you really know what you're doing, and you'll avoid a lot of mistakes. So it makes perfect sense. The second thing that you really have to be worried about, or at least be thinking of, is how good is your culture of collaboration. So I speak to a lot of companies and they say, oh, well, we're really warm and fuzzy. We welcome everyone. That's not collaboration. That's you being a decent human being. But collaborating means everybody has to be on equal footing when it comes to work. So that means that maybe you're going to have set specific windows for collaboration. So you have rituals where everybody has to be there. Let's say a stand-up meeting or something. But you're also going to have focus time where nobody's going to interrupt those folks. And this is really, really good if you want to diversify to other time zones, for example, so nobody's working overnight. You just have collaboration when you have that overlap. That's a huge thing. The second thing, also the documentation. Anyway, let me know how you're doing to have this very diverse team or the pros and cons and any tips that you have for our folks, okay? See ya.